what saxophones are? Saxophone is... All right, we're back. You know where we are. We're on the causeway from Fort Myers to Sanibel to Captiva. And today is a very special day because what we're doing today is we are breaking out the
drone.
Drone? For what?
Fishing. Some of y'all have seen our newer video where we test out the drone technology, and it works now.
Yes, today's the day. All of our preparation, days and weeks.
Bruh.
Days and weeks of training on the ground with this drone.
Bruh.
Right on, days and weeks?
Maybe one day.
But we're gonna fly that drone out and we're gonna just see if we can like catch a shark on the drone and then fly the drone back to shore with the shark on it.
Bruh.
So we're gonna lift the shark out of the water and the drone is gonna carry it all the way to shore. Is that correct?
Yeah, totally.
So we've got a pallet which we're gonna use to land the drone on. We've got a whole
yeah, I got this.
a whole cart full of all kinds of things. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's see how this works, boys. Quite a sight. Two men, one carrying a large pallet.
A half-size pallet.
Half-size pallet. Another man. And we're heading off to battle with the assistance of modern technology. All right, well, we're gonna see what happens here, boys. Okay, here we go.
I'm gonna move this to the back.
First flight.
Sturdy.
Here we go. We're gonna try it first with the shrimp.
Alright. Oh, we got 3 bars.
All right, oh boy.
I'm gonna start recording, ready?
Yeah?
And go.
All right, there we go.
Is it pulling?
All right, we lost the bait. It's loose, dude. Here, I'll put it back on.
And speed up. Wait, oh boy. I'm trying to speed up now. Go. Yeah, boy! Drop it down, drop it.
I would go further out, dude. Oh my gosh, dude.
All right, drop it now. Grab it.
All right.
Did it go?
No. Not yet. Hold on. It literally caught on fire.
You have camera footage of the crash.
Oh my gosh, dude. Literally on fire. What in the world? As you know, inevitably, that the drone crashed into the Gulf of America. That's the correct name of it. And a young man, a hero, many would say, came out of nowhere, and he's going to tell the story of how he saved the day. What is your name, sir?
Hey, I'm Bryson.
Bryson?
Yep.
Walk us through it.
Well, basically, me and my family just sitting there on a lawn chair, and we see you guys take this drone up with a line attached to it. We're like, what are they trying to do? Like, that's weird. And then we see it fly the line out, I don't know, like 200 feet or so, way out into the Gulf of America. And, like, interesting. I wonder how they're gonna drop it. As soon as we say that, it just gets wrapped up around the propeller and drops into the ocean. I'm like, well, they're probably not gonna be able to pull it back with a fishing rod all the way, so I figured I'll go out and grab it and try to run it back to you, see hopefully it still works, and it sounds like it didn't work after that. I don't know if it shocked me or if it was just my imagination, but it felt like it gave me a shock. It was, I don't know how that
Dude,
works.
it might have because it caught on fire. Literally on fire.
Oh, it did?
Yes.
Oh, yeah,
Are you
fine.
okay? Do you?
Nah, perfectly fine.
He's gonna sue us. This man might sue us. There you go. What's up, y'all? We're home now from our adventure out on Captiva. Just a quick update. Not too good. Stephanie has some thoughts about this. We're gonna go talk to her, see what she has to say. She's probably gonna just say like, you're a great husband, you're an incredible dad, you did your best, I'm sorry that happened to you, all those types of things, you know. Yeah, tell me about, what are your thoughts?
My first thought, put that thing right
Well,
in my
but
face.
you're good looking. People want to see you.
The only person who wants to see is
So my honest opinion, my very first thought when I read the text was, I'm not that surprised. I was trying really hard not to laugh. I was in the middle of Target with the girls and I'm sorry. I'm sorry that happened. That must have been devastating. Hilarious all at the same time. But I have to tell you, I'm only going to say it one time. I told you so. And I'm pretty sure I said multiple times before you left, I'm afraid you might crash the drone. Be careful you don't crash the drone into the ocean. What if the drone crashes into the ocean? You're like, nah, we'll be fine. We've got this. But like,
this.
you guys flew it in the backyard one time for 5 minutes. Then you took it up to the field for like 20 minutes one time and flew it. And suddenly you're experts who can launch bait over the open ocean. And nothing would go wrong. You got it. I'm highly impressed that you were able to recover the drone and it didn't get
Well,
lost.
that was because of Bryson, not me.
Not important to the story.
Bryson was the real hero. You're still a hero.
Yeah.
Thank you for the effort.
Anytime.
Did you believe that the drone was going to crash into the Gulf of America?
No, because I thought you were pros at fishing. And then when I read the text with Mommy, I was like, oh, I guess they're still working on it.
That's a wrap, folks. Thank you, Bryson. Thank you, Tween Wooders.
Thank you, Amazon.
Thank you, Amazon.